Hi, my name is Cynthia. Welcome to Oper8, and thanks for your interest in our software. Oper8 is an easy-to-use tool that will help you organize your day, track and manage documents, and help you to work more efficiently with others. I want to take a few minutes to show you around. The first thing you see after you log in is your dashboard. The dashboard is how you drive your day. On the dashboard are two calendaring tabs, the daily appointment calendar and the monthly appointment calendar. On the daily appointment calendar, you can view all the appointments scheduled for today and quickly create new appointments by simply clicking in the desired time block and entering the description. If this appointment was a book, then the description would be its title. You can then adjust the start or end time, type the location, and assign the appointment to the contact with whom you are meeting. You can also mark the appointment private, so no one who is not assigned to the appointment can view the information. It will appear as a gray block on your calendar. If you need more space to add more information, click the More button and the appointment will open in a pop-up window. From the pop-up window, you can assign the division, project, or goal, add additional details, and set a reminder for the appointment. You can also assign the appointment to other people who can log into your Oper8 client by selecting their name under the individual user assignments. This will push the appointment to their dashboard and block out time on their calendar. Finally, click Save. At any time, you can hover over the appointment and the additional details will appear in a mini pop-up. To flip forward or back a day, click the blue arrows by the date to page through the days. The monthly appointment calendar allows you to view your appointment schedule in a month-long format. Any day that is shaded yellow signifies at least one appointment has been set for that day. This is especially helpful when you're looking for a free day to set a longer appointment. To quickly jump forward several days or weeks, click on the selected day on the monthly appointment calendar and your dashboard will refresh to that day. Now let's move on to the Calls, Tasks, and Goals tabs. Calls replace the unreliable and easy-to-lose sticky notes and while you are out slips. To create a call to either take a phone message or schedule a call you need to place in the future, click New Call. Then fill in the type, description, mark it private if necessary, select a date and time, assign the division, project, or goal, then assign the call to a contact. You'll notice that I did not have to fill in the phone number field. This is because after I save the call, any phone numbers in the contact record for the contact I assign the call to will automatically be listed on my dashboard. You never have to hunt for a contact's phone number. Now you will assign the call to the user it is intended for, add any additional details, create a reminder, and click Save. The Task tab is your to-do list. A task is simply an action-based item you need to do. Create a task by clicking New Task. You'll notice that many of the fields from the appointments and calls are repeated in the task. This feature ensures a short learning curve because if you know how to create one item, those steps are repeated for all other items in Oper8. You select a type, add a description, mark it private if necessary, and select a due date. Assign it to the appropriate division, project, or goal. If I'm performing this task on behalf of a specific customer or client, I can assign this to a contact. Next, I will assign the task to the Oper8 user who is to perform this task, and it will be pushed directly to their dashboard. Next, I'll add the additional details to the task. If the description is the title, then the additional details is everything between the covers of the book. Finally, I create any reminders and click Save. The final tab is the Goal tab. Goals are a way to group action for a small or short-term objective that will create the need for multiple calls, tasks, and appointments. Those calls, tasks, and appointments can all be assigned to a goal, and then progress can be reviewed in the Communication tab of the goal. To create a goal, click New Goal. As we have done with the business objects we've already covered, we select a type, enter a description, mark it private if necessary, select a due date, and assign it to a division, project, and contact. Because a goal is intended to group and organize multiple actions to be performed for a small or short-term objective, it's often necessary for multiple people to cooperate for success. To push this goal to the right people, we can take advantage of the team assignment. A team is a group of people that can log into your Oper8 client that often work together or perform a similar function. By creating teams, we can quickly assign a group of the right people to accomplish a goal. You simply select the name of the team from the drop-down menu. If I need to check on who all is a member of this team, I can click the People button to display all the members. We understand that your company's goals can be unique and need the input of many different people in your company, so you may also add individual assignments for people who may not be a member of a defined team. Next, we'll add the additional details to define the purpose of the goal, set any necessary reminders, and click Save. You will see a pop-up has just appeared. This is the reminder we set earlier. The reminder draws attention to an object and provides a link directly to the object. Reminders can be used to let you know you have an appointment coming up or if a task has been created for you. The appointments, calls, tasks, and goals guide and manage our days. The next step is to manage and track the documents you create. If you use Adobe, QuickBooks, Excel, Word, Chief Architect, or any of the other thousands of software suites, to produce a file on your computer, you have Documents. Oper8's document management system gives you an easy way to securely back up those documents and then find and distribute them. Remember the task we created earlier? Let's go back to it. After we save the task, Create Final Brochure, a new tab was created for this task, the library. This library is just like your local library. Anything you could find there, you can upload to the Library tab of an object in Oper8. Simply click the green button. Next, select the file from your computer and click Open. I can enter a description, assign a category and subcategory if necessary. Finally, click Upload and refresh the Library tab. Our document is now safely backed up and everyone can access it through our Oper8 system. We have also solved the problem of everyone working on the same document, but from different copies or forgetting to back up their changes. To change the document, but ensure that no one uses the old copy before I have made my corrections, I open the document menu and click the green button to check the document out. Now I will make my changes to the document and save as I normally would. Oper8 will automatically ask if I want to upload my changes, check the document back in, and delete the document from my computer. This ensures I don't forget to back up because Oper8 does it for me. Now let's pull it all together. Projects are your company's large objectives that collect all the action and documents created to complete them. This action is listed in the Communication tab of the project. From the Communication tab, we can view the items that are complete and what items are unfinished. We can also create new calls, tasks, appointments, and goals that are automatically assigned to the project by simply clicking the green button. The project overview lists all the projects your company is working on and the incomplete objects in each project. You can drop in and easily tell the status of all your projects, giving you a command central to help direct your resources. I've covered Oper8's most basic functions and uses. I hope I gave you a better idea of what we do and what we can help you to accomplish. Please watch the other videos and screencast to learn more about Oper8's expanded functions or email us at sales@oper8.com for more information. Thanks so much for watching.